So today I'll share the recipe of a very delicious fish curry. It's classic Indian masala fish curry. I have made this fish curry from Rohi Fish, or that's a freshwater fish. You can make this fish curry from any fish, and believe me, the taste is so awesome. Goes very well with steamed rice or roti. Whose food corner special masala fish curry, classic Indian style. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this awesome recipe. So for this I have taken few ingredients for this spice paste and masala paste. Here I have taken one large size onion. I have literally very thinly cut them. You can see thinly sliced onion I have taken, and this will create the magic because it will perfectly caramelize. Apart from that, I have taken here garlic cloves and 1/4 cup, around 25 cloves of garlic, 2 inch of ginger and 2 large size onions, that is roughly chopped. We need to make a paste out of them, so I have roughly chopped them. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, dried red chili 8 to 10 I have taken. You can also use a normal red chili powder. 2 medium sizes of tomato, these are also roughly chopped, and some dry spices here. In dry spices I have taken coriander powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, and for color, that's the Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder I have taken. It's around 1 tablespoon, and homemade Garam Masala powder 1 teaspoon, and 2 bay leaves I have taken. And here comes our star ingredient, that's the Rohu or Rohi fish, 1 kg I have taken. And here the main touch of my special recipe is that I always cut the pieces into thick pieces, around 1.5 inches pieces. That literally makes a difference, and you can see all the pieces have nice width. So here 1 kg of nice Rohi fish curry, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder goes in. I had nicely washed this fish curry and patted them dry. Salt I have added according to taste, and lemon juice half a teaspoon I'll add. That will prevent the fishy smell of the fish, and of course will add to the taste, so give them a proper mix. I'll just toss it in this way. I just love tossing the fish in this way. And now I just need to keep this marinated for just 15 to 20 minutes. That would be enough. So meanwhile, once we have kept this fish for marination, let's prepare the spice paste for this fish curry. So in a blender I have first add cumin seeds and dry red chili. Here comes a beautiful tip, always dry grind these ingredients. That will literally make a difference when we combinedly grind with onion and ginger. So first I'll just dry grind them. You can see they are almost semi grinded, and now at this stage I'll add the garlic, the ginger, the onions, and little amount of water, around 2 to 3 tablespoons, because onions will release their own water, own moisture. So here goes 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and now I'll just blend them so that it can become a very nice smooth paste. The difference you can notice in this smooth paste, the seeds of the green chili will be nicely blended because we had earlier semi grinded them. So this trick always works. So the spice paste is ready. To fry the fish, I'll always use mustard oil. It gives a very nice flavor. And once the oil is nicely heated, I'll add the fish pieces, the marinated fish pieces. You can add according to your kadhai or pan, and mine is a nice large size pan, and so I'll add around 3 to 4. Don't overload the oil with fish pieces, just add accurate amount or adequate amount so that this can be nicely fried. So fry till the both sides attain golden color. In my family we prefer little bit more fried version of fish, so around I'll fry for few minutes more. But if you prefer little bit less fried fish, you can always opt for that. But you can see as I'm frying this fish, my family always prefers a nice crunchy golden fried fish. It takes around 6 to 7 minutes for one batch. So here my fish is nicely frying in this oil, and you can see, I'll just show you the color what I was talking about. So after few minutes of frying, my fish is nicely golden fried. You can see the color is just lovely. We do prefer this type of frying. As I said, if you want, you can prefer little less intensity of frying, completely depends upon your taste. And once it's done, I'll remove this fish pieces from this oil, and this goes on a plate. In the same way, I'll remove the other pieces, and before frying the next batch, make sure the oil is nicely heated. And after you have fried all the fish pieces, do make sure you remove the excess amount of oil if there is any. And there was some excess oil in my pan, so I'll remove this oil. And make sure you do this process very carefully because this oil would be literally hot. Or you can wait 5 to 10 minutes. Once this oil cools down, you can then remove it. Now to this remaining oil, I'll add bay leaves 2 and the thinly sliced onions, and half teaspoon of salt goes in. This will ensure the onions release the moisture quickly and they will turn very quickly golden brown. This is what I was talking about. So after this stage, I have added some water to the dry spices except the garam masala, the turmeric, the coriander and the Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. That I'll add to this and just roast for around 2 to 3 minutes till the oil starts to separate. And now again the blended spice mix of onion, ginger and garlic goes in, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water goes in. Now just give it a nice mix and roast for 6 to 7 minutes, stirring continuously in between till the spice paste literally reduces. In this way you can see the spice paste has nicely roasted for around 6 to 7 minutes, and now it has reduced in size. At this stage I'll add the tomato paste. The tomatoes I had taken, I had just blended them without adding any water, and after adding tomatoes I have added around 1 tablespoon of salt. Just give it a mix and now cook them in open flame for around more 5 to 6 minutes. Still you can see this spice paste also will reduce in size and will give a very nice aroma. This process of roasting the spice paste with tomato paste will take around 6 to 7 minutes more. So total 15 minutes of roasting is very much required for this spice paste, and once you have roasted this, the color will drastically change, and then you can add water according to your choice, maybe 1 glass or 1.5 glass, depends upon the gravy. And once you have added water, just cover it in high flame and wait till it comes to one boil. In this way I had added around 1.5 glass of water because the fish pieces are nicely fried, they will absorb some water. So here goes the fish pieces which are nicely crunchy fried. So they will, I'll just show you the consistency of gravy once this fish pieces cook for around 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. So here I have added the fish pieces. You can check or adjust salt at this stage. So after I have added all the fish pieces, now it's time to add the garam masala. So garam masala goes in here 1 teaspoon. It's my homemade garam masala. I'll share the link in the description box and just give it a mix. And I have already checked the amount of salt, it was just perfect. And now I'll just semi cover it, that means I'll just let a little gap in this way and let it simmer on medium high flame for around 10 to 12 minutes. And this should be the condition when you once open the lid. You can see the oil has oozed out properly. Just give a slight mix and switch off the flame. Now the fish pieces have absorbed the gravy perfectly, and gradually this will become more thick, the gravy. So my fish curry is just looking perfect. The fish pieces have perfectly soaked the curry. Let's serve this beautiful fish curry. So here I have served this fish curry, and as I said, Indian fish curry, fish masala goes best with steamed rice or roti. You can also prefer them with naan. And my gravy, as you can see, it's perfectly thick and it's perfectly done. And not to forget some green coriander. So this is the classic Indian style fish curry. I have made it from Rohi fish or Rohu fish. You can also use the katla or any variety of fish you wish for. Small tips and tricks I have shared, especially how to roast the spice mix to give the perfect color and the perfect taste. So do try this out and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Sarita Palo. She writes, "Thanks a ton Subhankari for sharing the amazing recipe. I have prepared many times kadhai paneer by following others, but I was never satisfied. But yesterday I prepared the dish inspired by you. It was very tasty and texture was beautiful. My husband complimented it was a finger licking dish. Gave a small twist by adding few almonds in the tomato mixture. I have no words to express my happiness. Once again, thank you. Keep uploading more and more nice recipes. Wish you all the best." Thank you so much, Sarita. Such a beautiful and heartfelt note. Thank you for all the love and support. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, that's the classic Indian style fish curry. Do try it out, and you can also follow Source Food Corner on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.